Hello traders, today I will show you beginner friendly candlestick pattern. His first candlestick pattern is a type of engulfing candlestick. Two types of engulfing candlestick. The first is bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. Second, bullish Harami pattern, and third candlestick is bearish Harami pattern, and fourth types of Harami candlestick pattern is bearish Harami and bullish Harami. Next candlestick pattern is hammer candlestick, and next candlestick hanging man or hammer candlestick. Next candlestick pattern is inverted hammer, and next is shooting star candlestick pattern. Is a shooting star candlestick pattern. And next candlestick pattern is spinning top candlestick pattern, and rejection candlestick pattern, and bullish momentum, and bearish and engulfing. Okay, is bullish engulfing pattern. When you see the candlestick is market go up, okay, if you cross the 50% of candlestick when market is up, okay. And next is bearish bullish. Is bearish close point is here, and open point is here, high is a high and is a low. And bullish open point is here, and close point is here, is high and low, and low. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for next video. Okay.